Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we have happiness. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a consolidated package, as always, from our trusty buy and ship. It's been a while since we had a package. Actually, we are of course doing some buy and sell. And one of the big events in WizKids every year will always be the Origins. Okay, and even though we are not able to join physically because we are from Asia, okay, due to financial constraints, but at least WizKids is kind enough to allow us to get some items online via the virtual, how do they call it, virtual exhibit or virtual store during that Origins weekend. So that's one of the consolidated items in today's unboxing. Okay, so but of course there's more. That's why it's called a consolidation. There's always more. Okay. Anyway, so I think this is a consolidation of, is it 3 or 4? 3 or 4 items, if I'm not mistaken. One of which, as I said, is from the WizKids Origins. So that's why I'm super excited, because we finally get to see the package. Okay. Anyway, so lots of bubble wrap as always from buy and ship. They always protect your collection. So go. I recommend strongly. Okay, we'll use this bubble wrap because we're gonna ship some items. So we're gonna use this, recycle them. Okay. This one we're not gonna use. And we see, we see a bunch of stuff. Okay, the first ones we see are, let's go ahead with the items. Oops. Okay, so we see here, this is the one from WizKids Origins, Iceman Snow Globe. Okay, definitely an unboxing of this will come. This is already sold to someone, but I'll try to unbox it because I'm an X-Men fan. Okay, and then we have Stiltman. Okay, so I think this came from a player online. I forgot the name, apologies, but I got a bunch of things from him as well. So we have Stiltman. Okay, this will be for pricing. We will probably make a lot of videos out of this. This is from WizKids Origins as well. Joe Fixit. Okay, so 2 from Origins. Orca. Okay, from the player. Okay, sorry, I forgot the name. Okay, we have this one, Daredevil. Okay, so already sold to someone. So this is the smaller box. You can see. Okay, so cards here are a bit bent, but that's fine. We have Deadpool at Home. Okay, so this will be our copy because we sold both of our copies, so we're just getting this back for our own collection. And we have Datitor also for our collection, or possibly sell, but I need the database. Okay, and Mantis. Okay, Mantis is already sold, reserved to someone. So that's that. Those are for the from the same player. Okay, those 3. Okay, then we have here the WizKids items. Okay, so the Joker Dragon, Joe Fixit, Iceman, Red Dragon. Okay, so we have what's in the box. That will be later. Joker Dragon. Okay, very interesting. Looks menacing. And then we have a dragon. Heroclix Red Dragon Sword. So this is the one I'm most excited with because this is D&D. And would you look at that? Okay, I think those are all from the WizKids, and this one will be from different players. Okay, let's open the box. Small box, small box. Small box often comes with great things inside. Let's see if we can open it. I want to preserve the box because I ship a lot of items. But if not, we can just destroy it, I guess. Okay. There you go. And we have here. Okay. Ah, okay. I see. So we have a couple of figures. I think this is from Lucky Dice Cafe, the online store. Okay. So we got Deadpool and Det. Okay, so we're just getting this back because we sold our first one. And then we have a Dark Side chibi version. This is already reserved to someone. And we have Multiple Man. Always good to have multiple of. That's for our collection. And then this one, it seems very light. Okay, let's see. Can we save the box? Yes, we can. Yes, we'll try. Okay. There you go. This is a magic. Okay, only one piece magic. And this is for my collection because again, I sold my old magic. So I have a new magic now. Okay. So sometimes I can sell a piece from my collection just as long as I'm able to get it back. That's totally fine. I can wait, although of course there's a risk because sometimes you don't know what you get, of course, online. But it's fine. I'm okay to take the risk at times. And the last item, what is this? I don't know what this is. It looks like a map. How do we open it? Here? Let's see. No. Okay. Let's rip it. It's a bunch of figures also. Ah, okay. A bunch of figures. Okay. So we have Lex Luthor President. It's already reserved. All of these are reserved actually. We'll get the cards. Oh, so this is from Peter. I think I bought some items from Peter. So thank you, Peter, for the items. We have President Lex Luthor. We have Black Vulcan. We have Venom. Okay. And we have Rip Hunter. This will be for me because I'm a teacher and I like writing on the board. So anyway, that seems to be all of it. And again, very, very nice haul. What do you guys think? Now I'm going to record some more videos. Bye!